called jungle calls. Others compare it to a kind of laughing. Both seem fitting to me. There's another but different sound they make, one that is described as being very similar to a carpenter hammering a nail into wood. The sound can be fairly loud, and usually alerts people to the presence of a pileated. As anyone familiar with woodpeckers is aware, their drumming is louder than their pecking. The sound of a pileated woodpecker's rapid drum beats must travel a good distance. I guess that's not surprising with a bill as large as theirs. Coupled with their powerfully huge body, they can pack